Hi everyone, thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. For today, we're gonna set up AI automation tool, which is we will cover for WhatsApp automation to remind client for their birthday. You can auto import the script, okay? You can download the JSON script inside the system. You can click button save. So system already built in directly to your scenario. But today's session, we're gonna create one by one the workflow to send the birthday to your client. So today workflow, what we're gonna do, we're gonna set up the database. We're gonna add your client name and birthday. We're gonna set up the workflow automation. And after that, we're gonna write your custom message for sending the birthday, and then let the system send the message on the special day, even if your WhatsApp is not online. Okay. So what does this matter for consultant? This will make sure that your client feel valued and appreciated. And an easy way to reconnect and start your conversation. Happy client often recommend you to the others. So we add AI automation WhatsApp Blaster or WhatsApp automation. You can save time. You can build stronger connection, and also you can focus growing your business while the system handle the rest. So for today's session, we're gonna give you free automation, which is we covered 1,000 operation. Hopefully you guys can scan the QR code now, because today I'm gonna give you 1,000 free operation using the make.com, one of the integration tool that we're gonna use for today. So for today's agenda, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create AI automation make.com, and after that we're gonna integrate with the NoCoDB, which is will be the center for save all the database. And also, if let's say we have time, we're gonna cover also for the Google Sheet. And also we're gonna use a platform which is we're gonna use the WhatsApp, because WhatsApp is the common platform that we use to connect with the client, to send message to the client. What is different compared to between the Google Sheet and NoCoDB? Based on my experience, I think NoCoDB have a lot of advantages, which is if let's say we want to pull a lot of data coming from the NoCoDB, you don't have any hiccup. But sometimes when you use a Google Sheet, because Google Sheet have daily restriction, okay, so I think it is better that you guys use the NoCoDB, because we have a lot of advantage. For database setup, what we're gonna do, we're gonna use a NoCoDB, and also we're gonna put all the information that required, example name, gender, date of birthday, and the best is your contact number. Okay. So and again, for those who are still new, hopefully you guys can scan the QR code, because I'm gonna give you 1,000 free automation. Scan the QR code now. Right. This will be the dashboard for the make.com. Here I'm gonna give you 1,000 free operation, which is this operation will be reset monthly, so you guys can use this one operation. So if let's say we want to use the scenario, okay, so firstly you can click to create a new scenario. Okay, before you use the WhatsApp automation, okay, this one, okay, you just click install. Okay, you click your organization, click install. Okay, and then finish wizard. So there will be the dashboard of the make.com. Go to create new scenario. Okay, this will be the interface for the NoCoDB. You can go to the app, okay, or you can click to register. You can sign in using your email. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this first. Okay, so firstly you need to create the base. Okay, so how about you put it there as a list of clients. Okay, so you create the base, right? And after that, you need to create the table. So how about we put there as a birthday client. Okay, create the table. You can go to the title here, so you can edit. Usually what you're gonna do, you're gonna put this as a date, update the field. Okay, and also you can also edit the date. Example here, you can not don't pick single line text. Maybe you can put it as a date type. Also you can as hours or 20 hours, either one also can. But how about we just pick as a single line text and then update field. To that, create new tab, time. Okay, because we want to, this one just for our record, at what time that we send the information to the client. Okay, after that you can put a salutation, because some of the country we calling client as a sir, Mr. Tuan, something like that. After that we're going to create name of client. Okay, single line text. Great. After that we're going to put it as a date of birthday of the client. Okay, this one you can put as a date. You can pick the date, that time, 24 hours. Date time, I don't think so. We need, okay. Date time. Alright, okay, you can pick date. Okay. And after that, usually gender. So this one just remark on our side lah, gender. Okay, after that, okay, what else? Date, time, salutation, and client, and birthday, gender. Okay, after that, WhatsApp number. Okay, right. After that, usually date to compare. Okay, this one just put it, just create lah, because we want to have a one platform, one area that we want to compare the data. So this will be the setup for the NoCoDB. Okay, so you guys need to fill in all the data. So example here, Mr. Here, Mr. And then name of the client, example here is Ibrahim. Okay, example my name. Example today, my birthday will be on the 14th for today. Gender, put this as a male. WhatsApp number, okay, example this will be my WhatsApp number. Okay, that to compare will be example here. Okay, just put the left blank. Okay, so if let's say you have the data from Excel also, you can copy and paste or also. Okay, for date of birthday, it is better that you put it as this way. So based on this one, you can set it the date, day, month, year, something like that, right? Okay, so and then after that, you click this update field. You open back your Google Sheet. Alright, so example here is list from the Google Sheet, date of your client. So I think it is better that you guys change the format to the numbers date, which is day, date, and format, something like that. Okay, so and then after that, the system will sync this one. Okay, so how about we take a look with person covered name, date of birth. Okay, date of birth. I think age no need. Okay, so age no need. Okay, so we can delete this one. So marriage status no need. Alright, so contact number, sex, gender, date of birth. Okay, so if let's say the information already complete, you can copy there. Okay, you can go to this one, you can paste under this one, and then you expand the table. So what you're gonna do is we will paste all the information there. So example, the phone number is there. Certain country they have some salutation for the client. Okay, so it's based your madam, so something like that. So in my country, we will if let's say that man, if let's say that person is a guy, is a male, so we're gonna pronounce it as Tuan. So if let's say a female, we're gonna address him as a Puan. Right. So okay, firstly rename. Usually what I do is I'm gonna rename the system scenario. Remind birthday client. Alright. Firstly, we're gonna pull the data from the NoCoDB first. Okay, so we're gonna do is you find NoCoDB. Okay, so NoCoDB, search records. Okay, search records. Right. After that, integrate, create the connection. Okay. When you want to connect with NoCoDB, they will ask for API token. Okay, so where is the API token located? You can go to the NoCoDB. After that, you go to your profile name here, and then you go to the account setting. Okay, so go to the API token. Okay, so right now we're gonna create the API token, create new token. Okay, so this one will be make.com. Save. So the token will be created. Okay, so just copy the token and then you put it on the make.com and then click button save. No need to. Alright, so you already connected with NocoDB. Put the data from the NocoDB. Okay, so because here is my workspace is also the name of the table is birthday client. Okay, so like that. Okay, table birthday client. Alright, so field no one. This one just click, put the limit as a 1. Okay, so right now we want to try run this automation. Right click, run this module only. Alright, so right now you already put all the data here, Mr. Ibrahim, Muhammad Iman, something like that. So all the information is correctly pulled from the from the NocoDB. Click the button save. Okay. After that, you're gonna pick this one, HTML to text pass. Okay. You find the HTML to text. You select this one. Okay. What we're gonna do is because some of the client here, the name is uppercase, capital letter. We just want to put it as a sentence case. Okay. So what we're gonna do is, okay, so you write down here, so it will convert the hello world to this kind of formats. Okay, so what you're gonna put here, delete this one. Okay, so star case here again, we want to correct the name of the client. All right, so okay, so after that you're gonna click this one, you create this one, create the router. Okay, so create router, and after that you click this one, you find the WhatsApp CM. We're going to send a message to the client. Okay, we're going to create the connection. So here, what guys need to do is you need to put your API key here. Okay, you can put your phone number here. Okay, phone number. So usually this will be your remark lah, what kind of number that you put here. Okay, your API key. Okay, and you click save. So you will connect with the system. Right now we want to send contact number to the phone number. Okay, so the phone number here already stated here, WhatsApp number here. Okay, the message that you want to send. Okay, salam and hi. Okay, the name is not from this one. Okay, this name will be from the text pass here, the name here. Okay, happy birthday to you, something like that. Okay, so there will be some message that you can put there lah, or you can put this as this one. Okay, so usually what we're gonna do is I'm gonna create a new line there. Okay, and then click OK. So example, you can duplicate this one. Okay, you duplicate this one, you can clone. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete all this one, because I want to send the message in. This will be message number 1. Okay, so I delete this one. Okay, this will be the message number 2. Right, so this means the client will gonna receive two message. This will be the first message. This one will be the second message. Alright, so this will be the simple workflow for sending the message to the client. Okay, so but right now we want to make sure that the date of the birthday. Okay, right now the scenario is some of the birthday client is not today. Okay, example, my birthday is today. Some of client birthday is on 17th of January, so it's gonna be another 3 days from now. We want to message to be sent based on their birthday. Okay, so how we're gonna do it? Click this one, the time, the date and time. We're gonna set the format date here. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you click now. Okay, and then the next step will be the format year. Why. Okay, if let's say the format date here equal to the number that birthday started here, okay, date of birthday here, the message will be executed. Okay, but right now if you can see here, the format of the birthday here will be in day, year, and day, month, and year, year, year. Okay. So right now we're gonna set the operation. Okay. So equal to date of birthday here. Okay. So when the system will put the data from NoCoDB. So if let's say coming up to this line, if let's say the date of the day equal to date of the NoCoDB here, equivalent to the date of birthday today. This will be the birthday today, equivalent today, and then the message, the sequence will be executed. Right? So how about we can click this one to run once. Alright, so the operation here. Okay, so what will be the problem? This one, date of birthday is not, because right now the date of birthday here, the way the system put it as a year dash month. Okay, no problem. So we're gonna change this one. Will be as shown, okay, on the screen. So the format date will be now month dash dd, and the format date here, date of birthday from the client here. Okay, date of birthday here. Okay, you just drag to the day. So this one I put it as compare birthday. RTH compare birthday. So this condition we will compare the date of today and also the format of the birthday client, and click OK. So right now again you can see here the names or everything is in uppercase. Date of birthday here. Okay, so right now we want to execute this one. Okay, after you set the condition here, you need to click save. Okay, and then you run once. So hopefully right now we will send the message to Ibrahim, Iman, Shahira, Afif. Okay, so how about take a look? Okay, number 3. All right, number 1. So okay, so you can take a look at the report of the message we sent. So that now option number 1, you send message to Ibrahim. Option number 2, okay, you send the message to Iman. If you can see here, the name here is everything is uppercase, but when you use the text parse HTML to text, it will change from the uppercase to the lowercase, which is will be to be the sentence case. Okay, so operation number 3, Shahira also. So here that means there's 4 people. The date of today is 14 January. You refresh here. That means all the date of the client, your prospect name, which is their birthday on 14th of January, will be sent to the client, right? Hi Ibrahim, that means we already send message to the client, but make sure the name, the WhatsApp number for your client is stated clearly, otherwise it will send directly to you. Okay, so I think that's all.